So folks, here's what we're talking about. Closing your vents, air vents, crawl space doors, okay? And also disconnecting your hose from your frost-proof bib. This bib here goes in 12 inches. I can show you on our new bib how it's designed to work. You must disconnect these and drain the water out for the season or it will freeze. Also, close all your air vents so no wind can blow like it's blowing today. It's still not too late for this season. And of course, your crawl space door must be secured for the season.